What do you want to do? You want to hit the ball?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Get over and get in your position. All right, hold on. No, you turn around. You got to go the other way. Swing towards the fence. Good boy. One more.
Mama.
One more. Hit it. Oh, that's a good one. Go get them. Got them both? All right, bring them back. Okay, get your bat. Hold on with two hands. You want me to hold that?
Yeah.
Okay. Get your bat. Two hands.
Okay.
And move back. Move back. There you go. Whoa, that's a good one.
Mama.
You wanted that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oop, you dropped it. Set it up. Atta boy. Hit it. Wowee! Good job, Jacoby.